Chapter 1 Intro.
Oh, hi there. Didn't see you. Are you struggling with your home assistant too? You're not alone. Sometimes getting things just right can feel like trying to teach a cat to fetch. But don't worry, because today we're diving into the magical world of advanced mode in Home Assistant.
Chapter 2 What is advanced mode?
So what is advanced mode, you ask? In Home Assistant, advanced mode is a user-specific setting that reveals additional configuration options and features within the user interface. By default, certain advanced settings are hidden to simplify the interface for general users. Enabling advanced mode allows users, particularly administrators, to access these advanced features for more detailed customization and control. Think of it as the secret sauce that gives you access to a treasure trove of powerful features. Hidden behind the scenes in Home Assistant is designed for users who want more flexibility, more control, and more power.
Remember, with great power comes great responsibility.
Advanced mode is for those who know what they're doing. Misconfigure something, and your smart home might have a mini meltdown. Proceed with caution. Key points about advanced mode. Per user setting, advanced mode is enabled individually by each user. Activating it for yourself does not enable it for other users, even if they have administrative privileges. Access to advanced features. Once enabled, advanced mode provides access to additional configuration panels and options that are otherwise hidden in the default user interface.
Chapter 3 Enabling advanced mode.
To enable advanced mode, click on your profile picture or username in the Home Assistant interface to go to the user profile page. Toggle the advanced mode switch to turn it on. Bam! Congratulations! You've just joined the elite club of advanced mode users. What's that? You don't feel different? Don't worry, you will.
Chapter 4 Thank you.
Thanks for joining me on this journey to advanced mode. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips with a twist. Happy advanced automating!